Step-by-step guide to creating a personal budget. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of creating a personal budget, helping you track your income, expenses, and savings to make informed financial decisions. Step 1. Gather financial information. 1. Collect your financial statements, including bank statements, pay stubs, bills, and any other relevant documents. 2. Make a list of all your sources of income, such as salary, freelance work, or rental income. 3. Gather information about your regular expenses, such as rent, mortgage, utilities, transportation costs, groceries, debt payments, and entertainment. Step 2. Calculate your income. 1. Add up all your sources of income for a specific period, e.g., monthly or yearly. Calculate your net income by deducting taxes and other deductions from your gross income. Step 3. Track your expenses. Categorize your expenses into fixed and variable categories. Fixed expenses. These are regular expenses that do not change much from month to month, such as rent, mortgage, loan payments, and insurance premiums. Variable expenses. These are flexible expenses that can vary from month to month, such as groceries, dining out, entertainment, and shopping. Record all your expenses over a specific period. You can use a spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or simply pen and paper. Step 4. Analyze your spending habits. Review your expense records and identify areas where you can reduce spending. Look for patterns and trends in your expenses to better understand your spending habits. Identify any unnecessary or impulse purchases that can be eliminated. Step 5. Set financial goals. Determine your short-term and long-term financial goals, such as saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Assign a timeline and a specific dollar amount to each goal. Prioritize your goals based on their importance and feasibility. Step 6. Create a budget. Start by allocating money for your fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and debt payments. Assign a reasonable amount to your variable expenses, considering your spending patterns and financial goals. Ensure that your total expenses, including both fixed and variable, are less than or equal to your income. Allocate a portion of your income towards savings and investments. Be realistic and flexible with your budget, allowing for unexpected expenses or adjustments as needed. Step 7. Monitor and adjust your budget. Regularly review your budget to track your progress and identify any deviations. Compare your actual expenses with the budgeted amounts. Make adjustments if necessary, reallocating funds or cutting back on certain expenses to stay within your budget. Celebrate milestones and achievements along the way to stay motivated. Conclusion. Creating a personal budget is a crucial step in achieving financial stability and reaching your financial goals. By following this step-by-step guide, you can gain a better understanding of your income, expenses, and spending habits, allowing you to make informed decisions and take control of your financial future. Remember, consistency and discipline are key to successful budgeting. By following this comprehensive guide, you'll gain the tools and knowledge to create and maintain a personal budget, paving the way towards financial stability and achieving your financial goals. Start today and take the first step towards a brighter financial future. We hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you did, and thanks for watching.